If you're not familiar with importing cars, you probably don't know the methods of payment available to you and when those payments will need to be made. Hi, my name's Alistair Ben from MHH International. Today, this short video is going to help you understand the different methods of payment available, from payment up front, split payments, or using asset finance. Here's Rowan to tell you more.
There are several ways you can pay for your car import, depending on the import service you're choosing. Firstly, it's important that you're very comfortable with the company you're working with. A car is one of the biggest purchases we make in life, and naturally, sending money abroad is nerve-wracking. In our opinion, your car importer should be making it easy for you to pay locally and put steps in place for you to feel confident that your money is safe. Payments can be made in a number of ways: split payments, local payments, and asset finance. Let's look at each of those in turn. Immediate payments are the simplest way to pay for a CNF purchase. The CNF service covers you for everything for your car to reach Mombasa port. Purchases require a minimum of a £500 deposit to secure your car and take it off the market. The balance for the CNF service to Mombasa is due within 7 to 10 days of the deposit being paid. The balance funds are held in our customer account until the car has been inspected by our collections team and they are happy with your car throughout. No additional payments will be due once the balance has been paid. If you opt for the immediate payments, be sure you know what you're getting for your money. This is the list of everything we include in our CNF service. CNF will safely import your car to Mombasa with all the required paperwork carefully DHL'd to your agent. It does assume that you have a clearing agent who will clear your car through customs and register it for you on arrival. As you can see, there's a lot to consider. It's a classic mistake to assume that all of this is already included in your import price. So be sure you know what is and isn't included in your CNF service before you start shopping for cars to import. For CNF imports, we ship the car when the balance payment has been received. This is essentially a split payment because it requires a deposit followed by the balance. For cars that are being delivered by us to Nairobi, we will accept a 70% payment pre-shipment. The balance of 30% is then required on arrival in Mombasa ahead of the duties being paid. I'm pleased to say we welcome local payments. We have accounts with NCBA Bank which accept Kenyan shillings and US dollars for our clients to send their payments to. Asset finance loans from our partners NCBA and I&M banks can be arranged with repayments for up to 60 months. To buy your car import with finance, we only need a 20% deposit to secure your car. This is all you need to pay MHH International for the entire transaction. We collect, inspect and export your car to Mombasa, and from there we clear and register your car and transport it to Nairobi for your personal handover. Your first repayment to the bank for your asset finance loan becomes due 1 month after receiving your car in Nairobi. To buy Japanese cars at auction, we require a 10% holding deposit in order to bid on the car. This is fully refundable if the car isn't won. Then the usual payment terms are applied. CNF purchases need the balance payment within 7 to 10 days. Cars which are going to be cleared and delivered to Nairobi by MHH International need a 60% payment within 7 to 10 days of winning the auction, so the car can leave Japan. The remaining 30% becomes due as the car reaches Mombasa. Cars bought with asset finance terms require a top-up to the agreed deposit level within 7 to 10 days of the car being won at auction, so a minimum 10% is needed if you agreed to pay 20%. The loan payments then become due 1 month after you have collected your car. As you can see, there are many ways of buying a car import these days. We hope this has helped you get a better understanding of all your options and how they work. These apply for cars coming from the UK, Japan or Australia. To find your ideal car to import, talk to our experienced sourcing team. With over 10 years exporting experience, sourcing new and used prestige cars worldwide, our expertise and wealth of knowledge will give you access to the best cars available across the world. Get in touch via our websites mhhinternational.com and mhhjapanesecars.com, or contact us via the usual channels and we'll be delighted to help you find and import your next car.